Here's a spinal manipulation model crafted to help in the education of joint gapping as an audible release is elicited upon rotational forces. Of course, this model does not have synovial fluid, so there will not be a refractory period, and the model can represent joint manipulation over and over again as the rotation is applied to the facet joint. This is crafted with a dynamic disc, so disc height loss can demonstrate how facet imbrication can increase the pressures within the joint and decrease joint space width, and how manipulation can gap the joint to improve the laxity and mobility of that motion segment.